Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a very colorful look. So you can see from my eyes that I have done a very colorful bright look. So this type of look is very bright and it looks very attractive. So whenever you're going out with friends or going out for a date, definitely you can do this type of look to make you stand out from the general public. And right now I'm very much interested in colorful eyeshadow looks because it makes my eye more bright and beautiful, and they are very easy. You can also do it yourself and you can look more attractive and more beautiful with this type of eyeshadow look. So if you want to see how I have created this type of eyeshadow look, then let's start with the video. So here I'm using Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Warm Nude. So it's really a full coverage foundation because it will cover your all pigmented area, and if you have any acne scars it will cover that. And here I'm using Damp Beauty Sponge to blend my foundation all over in my face. And now I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. This is also a pretty good coverage concealer. It will cover your under eye dark circles and your eye will look more bright. And now I'm going to use Wet n Wild contour palette. Here I'm taking this banana powder to set my foundation and to have a matte look. And also I'm baking my under eye area. And here I'm using Nika eyebrow definer pencil in the shade Vivid Chestnut. So here I'm drawing my eyebrows with this pencil. So it's a very well pigmented eyebrow pencil. So once my eyebrows are done, now I'm going to use Wet n Wild color eyeshadow palette. Here I'm going to use orange shade. I'm going to use in the upper lid of my eyes. And here I'm using a packed floppy eyeshadow brush and blending it from outer corner to the inner corner of my eyes. And now I'm taking the transition shade and using it in the lid of my eyes, inner lid of my eyes, to create that depth in my eye look. And now I'm going to use this green shade, and here I'm using my finger and using it in the outer corner of my eyes. And now I'm taking the lavender shimmer shade, and again I'm using my fingers and using it in the inner corner of my eyes. And now I'm blending it all together to have a seamless look. In the same way, I'm again using that green shade in the outer corner of my eyes and taking the lavender shade and using it in the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm going to blend it all together. So my eyeshadows are done now, and now I'm going to take this orange shade, and here I'm taking a flat brush and using it in the lower lid of my eyes to have a smoky look. And always blend your eyeshadow as much as you can to have a flawless look. Now I'm taking this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Classic Brown and using it in the waterline area of my eye. And now I'm using eyelash curler to curl my lashes. So I'm using it for at least 1 minute so that my eyelashes get fully curled. And here I'm using Maybelline Colossal Bold Black Eyeliner to have a wing eye. So my eyeliner is done now. So here I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So I'm using this mascara so that it can give volume to my lashes. And here I'm using Wet n Wild contour palette, and here I'm taking this brown shade to contour my cheekbone area. And my nose. And also my jawline area. Here I'm using Colorbar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. So it's a very good pigmented blush. So you need to take a very little amount and you will get the good color. And it's a peachy color, so it will give a healthy glow to your skin. And here I'm using Sugar Contour Palette, and here I'm going to use this highlighter in my cheekbone area. This is also a very good highlighter. You can see that my jawline is giving that glow. And also I'm using it in my eyebrow bone area. And in the center of my nose and in my upper lips area. And now I'm going to use Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Clay Crush. So this is a very good nude color. It's a terracotta nude color. So this is my final look. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comment sections that whether you want to see more colorful eyeshadow look. Then definitely I'm going to make more colorful eyeshadow look. So mention in the comment sections. And Jaya, hope you are watching this video. So this is one of your requested makeup video that I have done today. And those who are not following me, then please follow me on Instagram and also in my Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I'll be coming up with more interesting content in future. Till then, love you all. Take care. Bye bye.